Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to my another video. Friends, how are you? Hope you will be fine. Friends, in today's video I am going to sharing with you some amazing styles and patterns of plain cocktail pencil bodycon style dresses. They are so beautiful and stylish. These formal dresses are so beautiful. You can also wear it as your party function. You can stitch them or purchase them from online websites. These designs are so beautiful, stylish and gorgeous. Gives you amazing, stylish, beautiful look. So beautiful color combination in these designs. Friends, hope you like these designs. If you like these designs, please give the thumbs ups. And if you like this video, please share it with your friends and family. If you are newcomers on my channel, please subscribe my channel for more videos and fashion related videos, and press the bell icon to get the notification of new videos. Friends, don't skip this video, watch till end because there are so beautiful dress designs in this video. Hope you like it.